The development of new technologies affects all the spheres of life. Even the traditional and conservative adjustable spanner has been affected. The modern adjustable spanner does not require precise regulations, tuning and other manipulations, which had to be done in the past. The modern adjustable spanner is self-regulating. Just put it near the required screw, clutch it, and the spanner will tune itself in such a way as to work conveniently and without difficulties. Look at this guy having a hard time with the old adjustable spanner. I'm going to give him the new adjustable spanner, and everything is going to work well. What are you doing? Trying to wind the steering wheel. It has unwounded. But the spanner? I see. Well, the key is fine, a reliable old model, but there are new models, you know. Well, I've just had enough with this spanner. Throw it away. I'm going to give you something else. Look, here's a Quick-Lock spanner by the Cityblock company. The key is remarkable because it doesn't require tuning. It will open to any screw by itself. Wow! You unwind it and set the screw and wind until it clutches the screw. Let us see. Just place it here and clutch. The spanner clutches the screw in the most convenient way. Now the screw is coming out quickly. Great. Remove the spanner and unwind the screw easily, just using your hands. If you have to hand over some valuable things or the key to another person, and to make sure, thanks for the key, you just press and that is it. Didn't I tell you, this is a great up-to-date Quick-Lock adjustable spanner. Are you doing fine? Yes. Well, great, so long. You see, the guy liked the key so much that he even took it with him. This must be fine key then.